Today we're diving into one of my favorite topics, the amazing benefits of using milk in cold processed soap. Milk soaps have been cherished for centuries because they're creamy, luxurious, and packed with skin-loving ingredients. Whether you're a soap maker or just curious about what goes into your handmade bars, I'm breaking down 9 popular milks to put in soap, their skin benefits, how they behave in soap, and a fun fact for each one. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which milk is perfect for the type of bar you want to create. So grab your oils, grab your lye, and let's get into these milks. First up is one of the most popular choices, and that's goat milk. And you can include sheep milk in this category too. Goat milk is rich in lactic acid, which gently exfoliates and helps the skin stay soft and hydrated. It's also loaded with natural fats, and these fats help make soap feel creamy and luxurious. In cold processed soap, goat milk creates a smooth, velvety lather that people absolutely love, especially anyone with dry or sensitive skin. Fun fact, sheep milk actually has more fat than goat milk, so it gives you an even richer, thicker bar, perfect for spa style soaps. Next up is buttermilk, and buttermilk is a powerhouse when it comes to creating glowing skin. It's naturally high in alpha hydroxyl acid, which help brighten and smooth the skin without being harsh. And so buttermilk brings a beautiful silkiness and adds that creamy lotion-like feel to each wash. If you want bars with soft lather and a little extra exfoliation, this is the milk to reach for. By the way, pro tip, pair buttermilk soaps with citrus or honey scents. It gives them that fresh, clean, farmer's market vibe people adore. Next up is coconut milk, one of my personal favorites for rich moisture. Coconut milk is full of healthy fats that help nourish and condition the skin. When used in soap, it creates a light, fluffy lather and adds a creaminess that really levels up the bar. It's a perfect choice if you want a luxurious soap that still feels light and airy. Fun fact, coconut milk tends to make colors pop a little brighter in soap, which is great if you love artistic swirls like I do. The next milk ingredient is yogurt or Greek yogurt. Are you shocked? Some of you probably are not. Yogurt and Greek yogurt are amazing milk additives because they're rich in probiotics and lactic acid, giving your skin that smooth, supple feel. The extra creaminess in Greek yogurt helps the bar feel extra conditioning. In cold processed soap, yogurt adds moisture and can create a dense, creamy lather. It's fantastic for face bars, spa bars, or anything you want to feel smooth and gentle. Pro tip, use yogurt in small amounts and keep temperatures cool. It can heat up quickly during saponification. Next up is rice milk, and if you haven't seen my rice milk video, I will include a link at the top and the bottom. But rice milk is gentle, hydrating, and known for helping to even out skin tone. It's rich in vitamins and amino acids that support soft, glowing skin. And so rice milk creates a silky smooth bar with a lotion-like feel. It adds a level of gentleness that's perfect for sensitive skin or unscented soaps. Fun fact, rice milk has been used in traditional beauty routines for centuries, especially in Asian skincare, for its skin brightening benefits. Soy milk is packed with amino acids, antioxidants, and plant-based proteins that help keep the skin feeling soft and nourished. This is another vegan option that you can choose. When added to cold processed soap, it creates a creamy, balanced bar with a mild, silky lather. It's a great vegan milk option that works beautifully with floral or fruity fragrances. Soy milk tends to give soap a smooth, consistent color, which is perfect for simple, elegant design. Are you surprised that soy milk is on the list? Another vegan option for your milk soaps is oat milk. If you haven't seen my oat milk soap, I'll include a link for that for you also. Oat milk is one of the best choices for soothing and calming the skin. It naturally contains anti-inflammatory properties that help comfort irritation and dryness. And so oat milk makes the bar feel gentle and conditioning with a soft, creamy lather. It's a top choice for eczema-prone or sensitive skin soaps. Fun fact, pairing oat milk with a touch of colloidal oat creates the ultimate comfort bar. People love it. I tend to blend my oats very finely before adding them to my cold processed soap. Next on the list is almond milk. Are you guys surprised with this? Has anyone added almond milk to their cold processed soap? Almond milk is rich in vitamin E, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps soften and nourish the skin. It creates a silky smooth texture and it gives a light moisturizing feel. This milk is great for delicate or floral soaps since the lather is gentle and soft. Fun fact, almond milk works beautifully with rose, lavender, or vanilla scents. And the last on our list, simple, classic cow's milk. Now, cow's milk hydrates, gently exfoliates, and is one of the easiest milks to work with in soap making. It gives a creamy, balanced lather and produces bars that feel rich without being heavy. Cow milk is perfect for beginners or anyone who wants a traditional, old-fashioned milk soap. Fun fact, freezing your milk before adding the lye helps keep the sugars from scorching and preserves that beautiful creamy color. If you're going to add it to your soap batter directly as an additive, make sure that it is cold. Cow milk is one of the oldest and most traditional milks used in soap. It's rich in vitamin D, calcium, and natural fat, all of which contribute to a softer, smoother skin. If you have enjoyed this video, you definitely would enjoy my 11 ingredients to get more lather and homemade soap video. Protect your beautiful skin and your beautiful energy. Please like my videos, watch them a ton of times, hype the videos also, like, share, and subscribe, and I see you guys on the next one. Ciao for now.